What's up guys? Merry Christmas! Today it's a super lazy video because I'm probably gonna post this like today, and today is the 25th. I should have probably done this maybe a week ago so I can upload it today, but you know how it goes. I was super busy. I was working on a lot of things. So, I just want to show you guys something today. You guys can probably tell by the title, I bought a new ND filter. So, this is a ND filter by KF Concept filter. And it is a digital high definition ring. So this is a 82 millimeter radius for lens, and this is for my Sigma. I recently bought, you guys saw in my last video. Okay, so I'm filming on my phone because obviously I'm gonna use my camera, so I'm not filming on my camera, so I'm sorry if it's not as good quality as you guys are expecting, but here we go. So my Sigma, and basically, so it's gonna go right on top of the lens, right? Okay, so this was retailed, I think, I'm gonna show you guys right here. It's how much it was. It was from Amazon, so it's a lot expensive compared to the ones I used to get, which was these ones. But I just wanted to try something new, and this one is an adjustable intensity on the filter, so that's pretty cool, right? So it came with a, what is this? So this is like to tell you to leave product review. Came with this nice cleaner, the cloth. Very solid, actually. Okay, I'm just trying to see if it's worth that much money, because I thought it was on like the pricier side. I know that there's Sigma filters and stuff, but I did not buy that because I don't know if I want to spend that much for a filter. It's probably better, you know, but I just want to see. This is my second time buying a filter, and yeah, okay, so it come in a really nice hard plastic case. Open it. Ooh, wow, okay. Oh, it's a lot like thick than I expected. So obviously we're gonna go downstairs and take pictures of my car and see how it looks, and I want to show you guys how it looks. Whoa, you guys see this? It's pretty thick, it's pretty heavy, like, not gonna lie. So here's like the adjustable, I don't know if you guys can tell, so you can adjust it to a different intensity of like darkness, I guess. Whoa, okay, nice. This is cool. So if I dial it, can you guys tell? Let's change to a different intensity of the darkness. So that's really sick. Actually, I think I really want to test this out to see how it looks. Yeah, I definitely want to put this on and see how well it performs. Yeah, okay, well, I'm gonna put this on and we'll go downstairs, take a picture of my car, and come back here and review it. Okay, it's kind of raining a lot right now. I think I'm just gonna send it. It might look cool with the rain. It'll be really good practice for me. Normally when you try to take a picture when it's super cloudy and it's super sunny at the same time, it becomes really white. So it's probably one of the worst conditions to take a photo. So with the filter, I think it's gonna look super cool. I can't promise you right now, but I'll try it with different settings, and yeah, I'll show you guys the result. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna wear a hat because, you know, I'm trying to be festive out here, so I'm gonna try my best to be festive. All right, sick. All right, okay, so now we have the photos. So this first photo, first couple photo are when I'm set it at 0 or minimum setting for the UD filter. This is how it looks. It looks really green. Kind of like that. It's very like film look. It came out very soft, which is something that I really like, because when I didn't have the UD filter and I took a picture of my car last video, and it came really tacky, so really like this look. But however, you see these lines and stuff like that, it's a little bit too bright. So I did set it a little bit darker, and this is how it looks. And this is still no filtered, what is a minimum setting of the filter. So yeah, it came out like this. This is when I just lower the ISO. But yeah, this could be a pretty cool photo for sure. But yeah, it's a little bit too monotone for me, I would say. But I kind of like this. I really like this look. Like, it's not really bad. Okay, so we're moving on, and this is how it looks when I have the filter on. So this is probably like mid setting of the filter, and it's pretty clear. Like, you see like this line right here, it's pretty like it's perfect for, you know, the base to edit, because it's very like well put together, you know what I mean? The lighting is perfect, the car stands out more than the background, so that's what you want when you're shooting a car. So this is really nice. I really like this setting actually. This is probably like ISO 320, 2 something. Not too sure, but that's somewhere around there. Well, keep that in mind, like all the settings can be honestly difficult and can be challenging, but also you have to adjust it. I normally put the shutter speed around like 125, just because that captures, that's just my opinion. It captures well lighting for me, so I really, or I don't know why. I really don't know why, but so here we are. We have the front shots, and from this point, I think I played with it a little bit more darker setting. So yeah, it's really nice. Like, it pops out a lot, which is like something I'm really looking for. Yeah, so this is like maybe 1 tick or 1.5 tick before going max dark. So this is also it is. I just want to explain to you guys, if with this filter I found out that if you max it out on the filter, so like the max dark, it's like completely dark. It's like pitch black, which I thought that was kind of interesting to me, because like that's just really cool that it does that. But I don't think you'd be using that. But I really liked, like, so basically like a 3/4 way towards to the max dark. So this is how the pictures are turning out around that intensity for the darkness. I really like it. It's so nice. It leaves out a little bit of brown to it. Okay, so these ones are really bad. I don't know what's going on with that. It's really bright. I don't know. That's really bright. I don't know. I don't know what I did to it. Maybe I bring up the ISO a little too much on these ones. Could have been nice if it was. Let me see if lowering the. Ooh. Okay, I mean, this is kind of cool, but at the same time, like,
I think these are cooler because, you know, it's not as very dark on the ground. So I mean, let's say if I add like my go-to filter, that's yeah, because this looks really good already. Yeah, something cool look, cool maybe, but I also wanted that film look to it, right? So actually lowering some temperature here. Because I don't want all the bright profile to be gone, so I mean, I definitely have to play with it. I think this is looking pretty nice. Looks like my style for sure. Let me just get rid of that grain. There we go. Okay. Well, it's pretty clear. I would say it's pretty clear. I don't know how it will perform during sunny time, but I mean, I like how I could able to differentiate different coloring in the photo, because I like to have like multiple colors in one photo, because I think that, you know, that makes it kind of photo really cool and pops out a lot. So I like to have like a lot going on in one photo. If that makes sense. Yeah. Okay, this is not bad. I mean, am I happy with it? Probably not. But do I hate it? Like, I mean, I don't hate it. But I'm not happy with it, I guess. I don't know. I definitely have to learn to like it. Because it's like you have to understand that when you get a new gear or like a new filter, you have to figure it out, all this, you know, from the scratch again. So I mean, definitely I think this is one of the looks that you can go for. I don't know if I like it, but I mean, this, I just want to see what it looks like dark, and this is another different filter. It's too dark. Looks cool though, but it's too dark for me. Definitely have to get rid of some shadow for sure, because I want the rims to be showing, but okay, so I mean, it looks pretty decent, I think. It's a little too orangey, so I'm gonna lower it a little bit. But yeah, so this is kind of like the look I think I would probably go for. I think, because I was really worried, like if I don't get the Sigma 35, it's not gonna come out like this. But this looks very similar to the one that I remember. Yeah, I mean, I do like this lens, but I also feel like it's not giving me what I want. I mean, I did everything I can to make it closest to the way I used to take my pictures, but like I want more, like I want more bokeh for sure. Like I definitely want more blurriness to it. Well, let me know if you guys like this. But this is the best I can do to these photos, to be honest. I mean, I tried. You guys might think it's nice, but I think it can be nicer. But yeah, I mean, okay, so let me just review this filter. So, is the K&F Concept filter worth the money? Absolutely, 100% worth it. 10 out of 10 would recommend this filter, just because one is the adjustability of the darkness, and actually the lighter it is, it becomes a little bit more cinematic and more dreamy, which is something I really like. but it would be kind of hard if you keep adjusting the filter. So if you're shooting in one setting, I would probably keep it at the same setting throughout the whole entire shoot. I wouldn't try to touch it because when it does, I think it changes out the whole entire color scheme. It's gonna be really difficult to edit when you do that. Two, I think for the price, it's really nice. I think it brings out everything about the Sigma lens that I'm using. It doesn't come out as tacky, and if you're looking for that dreamy film look, I think that getting a filter is a really good investment for me. Definitely you have to keep in mind that my opinion is just strictly my opinion. What I'm saying might not make sense for you, and it might not make sense scientifically. So this is solely with how I feel and what I'm seeing on the screen right now. So yeah, but if you guys like this, I would highly recommend to get this filter. I'll post a link in the description. And yeah, it's not sponsored. I'm not sponsoring this, but I really like this filter and I really recommend it. But if you guys were wondering what lens you should buy when you're doing a car photography, and I made a video about it, it's a good lens for the price, and you get the bokeh you want. It's good for photo and video, and with this filter I think it's gonna look so crazy dope. I can't wait to actually film and show you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and make sure you follow all my social media. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and comment down below if you guys actually bought this filter. It was recommended #1 on Amazon. But anyway, if you bought this and you liked it, you didn't like it, what you didn't like about it, what you like about it, and you end up buying different product, or you end up not, let me know in the comment down below. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.